Okay, here's Miss Daisy. There's Smoochie. There's Daddy. Oh, Tony's got to get in the video too. Oh, looky. Let me zoom out.
Oh, I'm on camera.
Ooh, don't know how to do the zoom stuff. So I will just back up. Woohoo. There they all are. Smoochie likes her toy. That's her bottle toy. Huh?
She really likes it.
And Daisy's just chilling with Dad. And Tony, well, Tony has to have the spotlight, so of course you know she has to be on there. There's Miss Daisy. Say, yeah. Say, Daddy, what's she doing? What's she doing, Daddy? Okay, not too much excitement going on, but just a little bit of video. See you later.